If you've suffered with any issues with your jaw, so with TMJ, these are some fantastic TMJ relief exercises and massage that I'm sharing with you today that I want you to implement into your daily routine. It's really going to help if you have that tension in your temporal mandibular joint. This can be related to tension in the upper neck muscles as well. And some of the causes include stress, as we know. If you have suppressed anger and a lot of anger inside and you tend to clench and have a lot of tension in this area. This can happen when you're sleeping as well. And if you grind your teeth at night. So this is not only related to stress and anger, but can be related to having parasites. So please check out my other videos on what to do and how to do parasite cleansing in a safe and effective way if you think that this is part of what's going on with your TMJ, and especially if you grind those teeth at night. Okay, so you can do a little test for your TMJ, and all you're going to do is put your index fingers on that area. So it's right in front of your ear, and just open and close your mouth and see if there's any clicking types of sounds happening in your TMJ. And if you're hearing some clicking, if you're feeling some discomfort here, that is, and most likely, an indication that you've got some TMJ issues happening. I'll, of course, always check with your practitioner, often your chiropractor, somebody who does some hands-on healing. Craniosacral therapy can be really helpful, but I'm going to show you some craniosacral therapy techniques that you can do at home on your own to really help to relieve this tension in the TMJ. Okay, so first we're going to do my first exercise, and you're going to do some massage on your TMJ area. So you're just going to make a fist with your knuckles, and right underneath your cheekbones, you're going to use your knuckles and massage that area. And quite likely, if you have a lot of tension in your face, you're going to feel something here. And you want to go to the point of a little bit, if you've ever had a deep tissue massage, you want to go to the point where it's not really comfortable, but at the same point, it's that good pain, helping to work out that tension in those muscles, because we use these muscles, of course, with chewing, with speaking, and that really can build up some tension here. So you want to do that and work all around sort of that front part of your ear in that TMJ area. Okay, my second exercise here for your TMJ is to do some craniosacral therapy. And all you're going to do is very lightly put your fingers on the lower part of your face, and you're going to have an upward motion. So it's more of sort of an energetic feeling of you're not tugging on your skin. It's very, very gentle with craniosacral therapy, and it's a very light touch, but you're going to sort of move your tissue in an upwards direction very gently. And you just do that for 5 to 10 seconds, and then you're going to go down, so down towards the ground in the opposite direction with that very light tension in the downward direction. And this will, of course, you're not talking during this, so it's difficult for me to explain this at the same time as demonstrating it, but you want to now, with a downward motion, relieve that tension in that TMJ. And my third exercise is an ear pull. So again, you're going to hold the upper part of your ears, and imagine that you're sitting in the middle of a room. You're going to go towards the back upper corners of that room with the direction of pulling the tops of your ears. And again, it's not a tight pulling action. You're just pulling very gently, but that helps to relieve that tension in the TMJ area. So you're going to pull back. You're going to hold that for about 20 seconds or so, and then gently release. So I want to hear how that's working for you. Please drop it in the comment section below, especially if you do have a chronic TMJ issue. This will do wonders for getting you out of that pain and that inflammation in that area. Now, for more facial massage techniques, because I do a lot of them and share a lot of them here on this platform, check out my other face yoga videos. I'll see you there.